name is called as a data types. What is the topic name, sir? Very how come? Good. Till Friday, maybe you are going to touch flow control chapter. What is the chapter name? Flow control chapter. This is the agenda, and kindly, you have to remember what we are going to discuss actually. Kindly spare some time. Let me prepare a running notes for you. Sir, what are all errors we covered actually? Can somebody tell me? First one is a syntax error, name error, value error. One more time. Syntax error. Good. And this is done. We done. These are all things actually. Okay. Daniel trainer mobile number. Let us just try to keep those things. Admin mobile number. Let us just try to make a note here. Good. Now the today we are going to start data types actually. What is the topic name? Data type. Come on. From a variable in a last week, what all things we covered, sir? The last week, the previous topic is a variable. What is a variable we covered actually? And when you're talking about the variable, the purpose of variable is to represent the data. Purpose of variable is what exactly? To represent the data. Data can be, it's a collection of facts. What exactly? Facts. That fact can be numbers, alphabets, alphanumeric, audio, video, symbols. These are all things actually that I covered. Next one is the properties of variable. What is the next one? Let me tell you. Every variable has its own properties. Every variable has what exactly? Its own properties. If you take a person, the person having the properties like a height, weight, color, profession, these are all something like a properties actually. When you're talking about the variable having the name, variable having what exactly? That is called as a one property. Variable having the value, that is called as another property. Variable having the type, that is called another property. The last one also is available, that is called a scope. What is that one, sir? Scope actually. We'll see what is a scope in upcoming session. I know which topic at what time I need to cover. The next one is the naming convention to a variable. Now what you need to understand, any real-time project, you take any real-time project, either it is a banking domain, e-commerce domain, insurance domain, finance domain, no matter what, every project supposed to start from the variable topic. What topic actually? If you wanted to define some, if you wanted to represent some data, then definitely we have to use variable. Good. Whenever you are creating a variable, the name of the variable we should not use according to your interest actually. Hey Daniel, can I give my variable name is a something like a 123 ABC? No sir. Can I give my variable name is a at the rate 123? No sir, we should not give. When you're talking about the variable, remember one thing, all all letters are in lower case. All letters are in what exactly? Rule number one. Rule number two, if your variable having more than single word, if variable having what exactly? More than single word, every word supposed to join with what symbol? Underscore symbol. What symbol, sir? That's we already covered during naming convention chapter. Creating a variable, simple man. LHS equals to what exactly? RHS. Left hand side name of the variable, right hand side what exactly? Value of the variable. Creating a multiple variables in a single line, not important. Single variable for the multiple variables, not important. Last one is important, sir. Variable reinitialization. What is that one? Variable. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? A equals to 10. What is that one, sir? A equals to 10. Valid actually. And at the same time, hey Daniel, can I print A actually? You can print. What is output, sir? Tell me. Very good. A equals to 20. What is output? A equals to 30. What is output? Now, what you need to understand, first of all, this is called as a variable initialization. What is that one? First time initialization. Second time onwards, if you are giving the same name of the variable, it's indirectly we need to say re-initialization. What is that one? In a variable reinitialization, what exactly happened, always last value you are going to get. What value you are going to get actually? Last value. Old values means 10 and 20 will be replaced with what exactly, sir? Last value. I mean to say that recent value, right? Good. We already covered this discussion, and it's a called as a variable reinitialization. Yep. Now today we are going to start. The topic name is a data types. What is the topic name? Data type actually. If anyone joined today, I'm sure you will understand the topic actually. In between the session, if anyone having any doubt, do let me know, sir. I would like to help actually. All right. Let us continue. What is the topic name? Can somebody tell me? Python data types actually. Now, what is a data type? These are all things you need to understand. Let me tell you. Good. So let us take a humans. Let us just try to take what exactly person types actually. Person types. Can somebody tell me there are two types, sir? What are all category? First one is a male category. Next one is what exactly? Female. What is the first one? Male category. Next one is a female category. Same thing like that. Whenever you're talking about the data means what exactly? Collection of facts. Collection of what exactly? Facts. What do you mean by facts actually? Facts can be, tell me, first one is a numbers. What is the first one? Numbers actually. Good. Next one is what exactly? Alphabets. Next one is what exactly? Good. Let me tell you. When you are talking about the number, I would like to say 16. I would like to say what exactly? 16. Sir, 16 means without decimal. 16 means what exactly? Without decimal value called as a integer data type. What data type actually? Integer data type. When you are talking about the numbers, mainly as per the data science, you need to understand two data types actually, especially for the numbers. The first one is integer data type. What is the first one? Second one is the floating data type. Second one is what exactly? Floating data type. Now let me tell you, assuming that my salary will be somewhat, $1,000, $1,000, something like, $1,000, 56 rupees. So, something like that. Now, can I say this is the with decimal? What is that one, sir? With decimal. With decimal values is called as a floating data type. What data type actually? Floating data type. That point you need to call. Throughout this chapter, you are going to understand whenever you are talking about the data what types actually? Either it is an integer data type, float data type, alphabets. Alphabets means what exactly? Let me tell Daniel. Let me tell what exactly? Sir, Daniel is called as a group of characters. What is that one? Group of characters. Group of chars. Group of chars is representing with string data type. What data type actually? String data. Come on, tell me one more time. What data type? String data type. Good. Integer data type, float data type, string data type. Like this, would you have a different data type? From our chapter, we are going to see practically. Are you ready? Good, sir. Let us continue the session. Come on, please. Online team, I need a final response. Are you following actually? Online team, please. Good. Sir, one more point I would like to say. Can somebody tell me what is the topic name actually? Data type. If you wanted to understand this data type actually, if anyone joined today, I'm sure you can connect actually from my explanation. But regular guys, please, if you prepare very well previous topics actually, today topic you can connect very well. I mean to say that one point I would like to say, there is a interdependency. What is that one? Means if you wanted to understand the seventh number, sixth number should be strong actually. If you wanted to understand variable topic, you should be very good in what exactly? Naming convention. These are all called as a interdependency. Ensure that you please follow the same thing actually. Come on, let us, what is a data type? It's a simple, sir. The data type represents the type of the data stored into a variable or memory. Hold on. Now let us take one small example. What is that example? Let me take one small example. A is equals to 16. A is equals to what exactly? 16. Can I print age actually? We can print. Good. Sir, here age is called as a name of the variable. What is that one? Name of the variable. I would like to say this is the demo1.py. What is that one, sir? Demo1.py. Very good. And you know what? Next one. 16 is called as a, can somebody tell with me? Value of the variable. Tell me, sir, what is the next one? value of the variable. You know what? 16, this is called as a data type actually, right? If you wanted to know what is a data type, what is exactly data type? No doubt at all, this is integer data type. What exactly? 16 is integer data type. What is that one? Integer data type. But you know what? Python follows shortest notation. Instead of pronouncing integer, it will take int. What is that one? Int. Repeating again. Now, you know, here print is a predefined function. Print is what exactly? Predefined function. Predefined function. Sir, let me tell you. Whenever you are writing any example, especially in a Python, from the starting letter to till closing parenthesis, you should understand what you are writing. That is the best way of the practice. If somebody is talking about the A's, you should know name of the variable. If somebody is talking about the print, then that is called as what exactly? Predefined function. You should memorize automatically. Are you with me? Good. Let's continue. Now, anyone of you may ask a question. It's okay. Cool, Daniel. How you can prove actually? Though it is a integer data type, how we can prove? Practically, we'll see actually. Good. Now, can somebody tell me 16 is what exactly? Integer data type. One more time. Now, let's just try to walk through. A data type represents the type of the data stored into what exactly, sir? Variable or memory. Whenever you are creating a variable, something like this, in your computer, automatically one object it will be created, sir. As of now, let us use, variable terminology. This is the 16 value, and what is the name of the variable? Is actually, and this 16 is integer data type. 16 is what exactly? Integer data type, means int. What is that one? Int data type. Good. Yeah, sir, I'm sure this program you can understand very quickly. In the given example, how many variables I have created? Tell me, sir. Three variables. What is the first variable name? EMPID name salary. One more time. EMPID name salary. For every variable, it's a mandate actually. Definitely have to provide the value. Definitely have provided what exactly? Hey, Daniel, I will not provide. It's okay, sir. You will get error. You will get what exactly? Error actually. Left hand side, whenever you are creating a variable, remember one thumb rule actually. Right hand side, you should provide the value. Otherwise, you will get a syntax error. What error? Syntax error actually. Very good. Once we created a three variable, and can I print these are all three variable, Daniel? You can print, sir. What is the first name of the variable? Employee ID. Good. I don't want to print directly like a one. While I'm printing the output, I just wanted to print some meaningful information. Sir, whenever you are running this example, what is output you are going to get? My employee ID from here to here, within double quotes, whatever you are providing, that it is going to print here automatically. And what is the employee ID? 1. Instead of emp id, name of the variable, what is the value you have assigned actually? That it is going to print. That point you need to understand actually. Are you getting? Yeah, good. If you understand one variable, second variable name is a Daniel, third variable name is what exactly? Salary. Repeating one more time. A group of characters. What is that one, sir? Group of characters. You have to keep within double quotes. You have to keep within what exactly? That is called as a string. We do have a separate discussion, separate chapter. What is a string? Hey, why we need to use a double quote actually? Can I use a single quote? Can I use a triple quote? Maybe today I'm going to give a small kick introduction, but actual total chapter I'm going to cover chapter number, I hope, 1 minute, sir. 11 actually. What is the chapter number? What is the string? As of now, you can ignore, sir. Good. All right. Can I execute this example in one shot actually? Come on. I need your help. Create a folder name is a programs, and these programs inside of this one, kindly remind me exactly at 6 actually, either 6, 6:10, 6:05. There is no muhurtam. Let us create a one WhatsApp group actually, just to communicate on daily basis for us. Okay, good. Let me create a one folder here. What is the folder name, sir? Data types actually. The folder name is a data types. Let me create a data types folder. And here I would like to save all our programs actually. Come on, come on. Let me just try to create notepad. I would like to copy paste just for today. No, sir, not allowing actually. Come on. EMP ID equals to EMP what exactly? ID equals to 1. Next one is a Name equals to, tell me, Daniel. Next one is salary. Salary equals to 10,000, 1000 dot some 56 actually. Good. Now let me just try to print, and let me just try to print directly EMP ID. Next one, yeah, what is the next one, sir? Name. Next one is a salary. Sir, if you are printing directly, only values you are going to get. Only what exactly? Values you are going to get. Demo1.py. Go to all files. Tell me, sir. Go to desktop, programs, data types. All right, good. Can I run this example? To run that example, go to programs, and here data types. Here what we need to do, sir? Everyone, CMD. Very good. Now, yeah, CLS means clear the screen. How to run actually? Py demo. See, observe here actually. One Daniel 1000.56 actually. Hey Daniel, along with this value, I just wanted to print some meaningful information. What is the one? Employee ID. What is it? What exactly? Employee ID. Now just try to come to the example. Just before here, double quotes and give a comma. Employee ID is, right. Now same thing like that. 1 minute, sir. Come here, provide here and provide here. What is this one? Tell me. Name is. What is this one, sir? Employee salary is. Though you updated, right? Then here star symbol is there. Let me tell you. Though you updated the program, you updated in the sense already existing program you opened, and you are just trying to writing the new code actually. These are all newly I had written. Am I right or not? Then your program will be star symbol. What symbol? Sir, if it is a star symbol, even if you're trying to running the command prompt actually, output is not reflecting. Output what exactly? Not reflecting. When the output will reflect, sir, go see the star symbol is supposed to be gone. Then only output will be reflect actually. What we need to do? Go to the file, click on what exactly? One more time. Last time. Now open the command prompt. Now you can just try to rerun. This is seriously awesome. I hope you're going to get actually. You should understand. Whenever you're writing the program, you can run in one shot actually. Second time onwards, you can update the existing program. You can update what exactly? Whenever you are updating, ensure that don't forget to save the program, sir. Don't forget what exactly? Once you save the program, then only the changes will be reflect over the command prompt actually. Team, I hope you are with me. Can I get a better response? Are you with me? All right, let's continue. Let me connect with online team. Good. Let's continue, sir. Yeah, we done this example. Wow, very important discussion we are entering. Very important. What is the discussion? Now 16 value, 16 actually. What? Sir, hold on, let us take these are all values. First of all, as usual, take this one. Take the running nodes actually. I would like to say demo1.py. What is that one, sir? Demo1.py. Good. Now, what is the output you are getting, sir? Let us take this one. I would like to say this is the output. This is what exactly? Output actually. Good. Now, one value we are getting, Daniel you are getting, and 1000.56. Sir, this is called as a integer data type. What data type actually? This is called as a string data type. What data type? But you know what? Python always follows shortest notation. Then string will come something like str. Good. Str data type. Str means string data type. Good. And this is called as a floating data type. Python follows shortest notation. Float data type. What data type actually? Yeah, good. Now, any one of you may ask a question. Hurry, Daniel, can you please prove practically one is belongs to integer data type, Daniel is belongs to string data type? Yes, we can prove. How to prove practically? In a Python programming language, how we do have a print predefined function just to print the output actually. Same thing like that. One more predefined function I'm going to introduce today. That predefined function name is a type. What is that predefined function name, sir? Type actually. Okay, this is seriously amazing. The type is a predefined function. Type is what exactly? By using that, you can check the data type. You can check what exactly? Data type. I mean to say that. Come on. First one is a type is a predefined function, something like a print, something like what exactly? But the purpose of print is printing the output, but purpose of type is check the data type. Check what exactly? Data type actually, right? Good. By using this, what we can do, by using this, we can check the data type of any variable. You can check what exactly? Data type of any variable. Come on, let me show you one example. Sir, damn sure interview question, you have to remember these are all stuff actual, and it is a very easy, very easy. Now just try to come here. Good. Let us just try to provide one small, I will tell you why I'm providing these are all things actually. Good. Print of, tell me the name of the variable, sir. What is the name of the variable? Emp id. Can I say that one? Good. Emp underscore id. Type of predefined function. Inside print actually, you can write one more function. That function name is a type of print. And in between here, you need to provide name of the variable. What you need to provide actually? What exactly happened, go to the program and you can run this example. Wow, this is seriously super. What exactly happened, sir? Employee id, what is the value? 1. Whenever you are checking the data type for 1, backend it is printing int. What it is printing actually? As of now, you can ignore class. You know what? There are 2 to 3 hours discussion. I can explain later what is a class actually. Trust me, you will become expert in that area. But what I am telling, you need to focus there only actually. Can somebody tell me one, what is the data type, sir? Integer. One more time. Last time. Good. At the same time, can I cross verify for the other values also? Come on, tell me, sir. Just try to come here. Sorry. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. And what is the name of the variable here? Name. And what is the third one actually? Salary. Very good. Thank you for your cooperation actually. Now automatically I saved the example. Now just try to observe this one. This is seriously interesting, sir. Come on, you need to focus actually. What exactly happened, first one, the data type is a integer. What exactly? Data type is a integer. Best example, sir. One is a integer data type. Daniel, group of characters. What is that one? Group of characters are representing with a string data type. What data type? But internally Python will follow always shortest notation. That's why it is representing with str. One more time. Good. And salary is representing with decimal value. What value? Decimal value. Decimal value in the sense backend it is representing with the floating data type. What data type actually? Are you guys getting? Is it simple or not? Very simple, sir. Now can I get a one small better response from you? Till now, what are all predefined functions we covered actually? Sir, I wanted to hear from you. What are all predefined functions we covered actually? What is the first one? Very good. Print. The purpose of print is what exactly, sir? To display the output. Am I right? To display what exactly? Output actually. Very good. Today we discussed one more function. What is that function? Daniel, right? No. What is the function? Type actually. Very good. Sir, do one thing. In between parentheses, provide some p actually. What is the p? No, parameter. What is that p1? I will tell you later why I am providing actually. Good. Type of here, what exactly? Type of p also you can provide, and here also parameter is required. What is required, sir? Parameter is required. Let us just try to provide here. Now just try to, sir, 1 minute. Online team, hold on. I'm feeling exhausted, sir. Can you switch on this fan? Let me drink water. Last one, sir. Yeah. Thanks. Type of p means, to check the data type. What is that one? To check the data type actually. This is seriously interesting. Now exactly go back. I'm sure we started list out all predefined functions actually. Is it? We are not listing out. Let us list out that one also, sir. Important. Along with this one. And here, take the list actually. Take the same list and you can just try to add it here. Come on. Interesting. Can somebody tell me what is the first function name? Print. Second one, type actually. Good. Today, let me tell you one important, very important discussion. What is the discussion, Sir, I'm telling one small point actually. Yeah, good. If you are writing print, not typing anything in between parentheses, then you will get some spaces, sir. You will get what exactly? Some space in between this output and this output actually. Are you getting everyone? Can I say some social distance actually? I mean to say that a gap in between this output and this output actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. What is a class we'll discuss later. As of now, you have to focus only on int, str, float actually. Guys, are you getting? Good, sir. Good. Now, let me take this example. Let me tell you one thumb rule. Let me tell you what exactly one thumb rule actually. What is a thumb rule, you know? Thumb rule. Good. Point number one. We should not, we should not write a predefined function name. We should not write, we should not write a wrong name as a wrong name to predefined function. What is that one, sir? Predefined function. What do you mean by that? Uh, print is not equal. What is that one, sir? Is not equal to, is not equal to, is not equals to print. What is that one actually? Print. Can somebody tell me why it is not equal, sir? Exactly. One more time. Case sensitive. I'm repeating one more time. Hey, Daniel. Print. Do you think both are same actually? No, sir. Both are not same. Because Python having, case sensitive nature. What nature actually? Case sensitive means what exactly, sir? The one who created a Python, he exactly given the same name. If you wanted to use the print actually, exactly use the same name. Otherwise, Python will give left and right actually. I mean to say that otherwise Python will throw the error. Python will throw what exactly? Now, this point you need to remember. I'm sure you will going to understand what I'm going to tell actually. Can somebody tell me, do you think valid actually? Tell me, sir. Good. Now let us save this example and run this one actually. What is output you are going to get, Okay. The output name is a name error. Good. Come back here. How to fix actually, sir? Come here. Just try to make it lowercase actually. Go to the file, save, run one more time. Yes, you are going to get the output. Good. Now I have one more question. Can I give this one is the capital T actually? Tell me, sir. What is error actually? Tell me confidently. No doubt at all. Now just try to see. Sir, whenever you are giving predefined function name as a wrong, predefined function, it can be print, it can be type, it can be upcoming function. No doubt at all, you will get always one error name. That error name is a name error. One more time. Last time. Remember this thumb rule actually. Are you guys getting? Good, sir. It's a very simple, right? Very simple actually. Uh, good. I will do one thing. I will take this one and I will tell you, here you are going to get name error. What error, sir? Name error. Name error. Hmm. Reminder. What is a reminder? Yeah, 6 o'clock. Come on, sir. Uh, let us create one WhatsApp group actually. WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group. By using this WhatsApp group, we can communicate each other actually. Not from online, offline student actually. Offline. One guy take the initiation. It is up to you. Either boy or girl. Who will create actually? Up to you. One guy, please be more active. Anyone, please. Now itself, we have to create actually. Next to 5 minutes, this is the only discussion. Sir, please help me. Can somebody create actually? Yep, come on, please, sir. Thank you. Your name? Yeah, please, sir. You do one thing. Give the group name as a group name is group name is NIT data science. No, data science and AI. And what is the timings actually? Tell me. 5:30 p.m. Exactly. Group name should be this one, sir. In next 1 or 2 minutes, kindly please create this one, and you can share your number, admin number actually, and trainer number you have to add, and group admin. This is the group admin, and NIT admin also. One admin we need to add. Rajeshwari ma'am, is it fine? Can I create a WhatsApp group actually? I mean, one of the student is taking responsible. Rajeshwari ma'am, are you with us? This is the NIT admin. I hope. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Let us finish that activity in another few minutes. Just give me 2 minutes. This is good for us only. Yeah. Sir, it is for offline and online. Just hold on. Just hold on. Created, sir. Good, very good. Thank you. Tell me your number. One more time. 73. One more time. 298. 1 minute. Yeah. 28126. Let me repeat again. 73298 28126 actually. Am I right? Uh, online team, kindly please text to the. Is it fine, sir? Guys will text actually. Right. Online team, kindly please text to this one. You know, our teammate will add you actually. End of the session, at last session. Otherwise, can you share? Is it fine? WhatsApp group link we can create, right? I guess link we can create and we can share actually. Do you know, sir, how to create a WhatsApp group link actually? Maybe it's okay, cool. Offline team, take the number. Take this number actually. Take a snapshot. Kindly send to our teammate actually. Our teammate send it just something like a hi message actually, and he will add you in the WhatsApp group. Just take the number as of now. Later you can send a text message. Last 2 minutes we are going to start the session. In another 2 minutes. Sir, you can add my mobile number and Ranjan mobile number and NIT admin mobile number also. Okay. Yeah. My mobile number, mentor mobile number, Ranjan actually. Ranjan. Online team, I hope you got a clarity what to do. His name. Just drop a text message, sir. Okay. Done, right? At any cost, everyone should be available in the WhatsApp group. Why? Because if you want, I can connect with you individually also. Let us talk in a group actually. Sir, this group is only for technical discussion. Please make a note actually, technical discussion. Please kindly avoid to say, what is that one? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How was the day? Lunch, breakfast. Would you have 1,000 groups actually? Am I right? First time I'm sure in your career, you are going to use WhatsApp group for what exactly? Technical purpose. I'm sure. I'm sure you will enjoy a lot actually. And daily I will ask a question and I will ask error names actually, and you have to please respond. We'll see. Today onwards, we'll see, sir, how the things will be go actually. Okay. Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. The one who created WhatsApp group actually. Repeating again, 73298 28126 actually. Fine, right? Yeah, good. Thank you. Let's continue. Where are we? Yeah, I have explained about this function. Come on. Employee ID type is what exactly? Integer. We done this all discussion. Good. It's a right time. Let us move to the discussion. What is the topic name? Tell me. Data. Sir, when you're talking about the data types in a Python, there are two types of the data types. How many data types? The first one is built-in data type. What is the first one? Built-in data type. Second one is a user-defined data type. Good. The very first one is a built-in data type. And what do you mean by built-in data types? The data type which are already existing in a Python are called as a built-in data types. I mean to say that. Let me tell you. When a human being born, hands, legs, head, by default it is available. That is called as a built-in. That is called as what exactly? Built-in. But when you're talking about the user-defined data type, courage, mercy, love, these are all things by default is not available. That we need to build actually. When you're talking about the built-in data types, sir, when you install Python, when you install what exactly? By default, these data types will come and it will be available in your laptop. Then what we can do, you can reuse those things actually. What we can do? We can reuse. The first one is called as a built-in data type. What is the first one? This is also called as a predefined data type. This is also called as what exactly? Yeah, that data type which is already available in a Python is called as a built-in data type. These are all very, very important. What is the first one? Numeric data type. What is the first one? One more time. Under numeric data type, the first one is a integer. What is the first one, sir? Second one is a float. Third one also is available. Third one is called as a complex. What is the third one? Complex actually, but that we are not using in a real time. That we are not using what exactly? Real time. I know well. I do have sound experience in Python. Which one is using any data science? Which one is not using any data science? You should have an idea actually. Now you may ask a question why you are not using. So let me tell you. In alphabets, tell me A to Z letter. Am I right? On daily basis, we are using A letter. What letter actually? Best example, A for apple. But did you use Z letter last 6 months actually? I'm not asking yesterday. Last 1 week, last 1 month actually. Z letter did you use last 6 months actually? I mean to say that yeah, we didn't use. Even in a Python, we do have a on an average 25 topics. Would you have how many topics, sir? But remaining we are going to cover on an average 20 topics actually. Remaining 5 topics we are not using in real time. That point you need to understand actually. Team, are you getting your one? Come on, sir. Numeric data type integer. Next one is what exactly? Floating. Good. Next one is a bull. I mean to say that Boolean data type. What is that one? Second one is a none data type. Yeah, good. Next one is a sequence. Under sequence, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, range. These are all things actually. Sir, what I can say, damn sure important interview question. You have to please make a note actually. What are all data types in your project means, these are all we are working. There are mainly two types of the data types, built-in data types. Next one is a user-defined data types. When you're talking about the built-in data types, numeric data types, integer, float. Under numeric category, integer, float. Next one is a Boolean data type, separate one. None data type, separate one. Sequence data type. What is a sequence? I will tell you. Under sequence, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, range. One more time from the string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, range. Right. Can I continue? Good, sir. Come on. Very good, sir. When you're talking about the Java programming language, that is called as a map actually. But here it is called as a dictionary. Here it is called as what exactly? Dictionary. Good. When you're talking about the map, key value pairs, sir. But in a Python, key value pairs are good question. Offline student, what online team? Please focus. One of our teammate, what is asking, Array Daniel, when you're talking about the dictionary, can I say this is the map data type actually? We can say. In Java programming language, that is called as a map actually. But in Python programming language, that is called as a dictionary. Come again? Let me tell you, sir. Yeah. Set data structure also having one more sub data structure that is called as a frozen data set actually. Not important, not much important actually. Good. Let's continue. All right. Team, are you getting your one? Good. Very good. The numeric data types represents numbers. Numeric data type represents what exactly? Let me tell you, go back to the definition. What is a data actually? Collection of facts. One more time. Collection of facts. Facts means numbers. Hold on. Facts means what exactly? Sir, when you're talking about the numbers especially, mainly two types actually. Mainly what exactly? If I'm asking your age, if I'm asking what exactly your age, you can tell, hey, 17 years old, 16 years old, something like that. But you should not tell 17.3, 17.9, something like that actually. Am I right or not? If I'm asking your salary, something like a floating value matter, actually, I will tell you where the floating value matter in a fun way actually. Good. Sir, complex also is available, but we are not using that one. Complex is available, but we are not using that one. The integer data type represents the number without a decimal value. What is that one? Without a decimal value. Good. In Python, there is no limit for integer data type. In Python, there is no limit for what exactly? Let me prove practically. This is the demo 3, right? Come on, let us just try to run one example. Let us just try to go to the new. Come on, sir. What I can say, a value equals to 10 or else 99. Print of a value. Can I check the data type? How to check actually? Good, very good. There is a function, that function we need to use actually. Very good. Let me save this example, will be demo2.py. Go to the desktop. Come on, sir. Programs, data types, click on save. Yeah, very good. Nice response. Let us run this example. Sir, Python is very easy. Your concentration really matters actually. Right, good. Now let us run this example. Let me run this one. Py. Oh, sorry, man. What is the example? Demo 2. Good. What is the output you are getting? 99. Hey, Daniel, can I check the data type actually? You can check, sir. If you wanted to check the data type, what is the syntax? Tell me. Type of A. What is that one? Just try to print this one. Sir, if you wanted to see the output, you have to keep in between print actual. In between what exactly? Print. This statement, this function, you have to call in between print statement, then only the output you are going to get. That point you need to make a note actually. I mean to say that, come on here, print, starting parenthesis, what exactly? Closing parenthesis. One more time, come on. Print, starting parenthesis, closing parenthesis, come one step back actually. Can somebody tell me? Type. Do you think that is a valid? Do you think that is a valid? What is error? Tell me, sir. Name error. Very good. Now just try to come here and here what we need to provide. Yeah, actually. Now let us just try to run this one. This is seriously super. That point you need to understand. Very good. Now, here onwards, if you are creating any variable, either variable name is A, B, C, or else you are creating some other variable actually, every variable data type we can cross verify by using a type function. By using what exactly? Sir, it's a very simple, sir. Don't think like, too much technical actually. Best example. Somebody came suddenly and I just asked, sir, you are from which qualification? There is a graduation, undergraduation. What is the group? If I'm asking, do let me know what is your graduation. Then he may tell BTech actually. He may tell what exactly. Then immediately I will ask one thing. What is that one? Sir, which group? What is that one? That group is nothing but the type. That group is nothing but what exactly? Type actually. Here also, whenever you're talking about, this is the data. This data is what type actually. If you wanted to know, you need to call a function. Function name is a type actually. Good. I hope you understand. One of the very, very important point. What is the point, sir? In a Python programming language, whenever you're talking about, integer data type, whenever you're talking about what exactly? Integer data type, there is no length limit. There is no what exactly? I mean to say that let us just try to provide such a bigger number, very big number actually, but don't expect this much salary. Are you getting? Yeah, such a bigger number, right? Now, can I save this one? Let me run this example, sir. Why still I'm getting 99 actually? Tell me. Because I didn't, save the example. Go back and file, and what we need to do? Save. Now you can run the example. Wow, you can still just try to cross verify. Previously, how many digits actually? Two digits. But this is, can I say, such a bigger number? Means Python, what exactly happened, it is backend creating a one variable. Sir, you give me such a long value also, conveniently I can store actually. Now this point you can easy to understand. What is the point? In Python there is no limit for what exactly? Integer data type. That point you need to understand. It can store very large values conveniently. Very large values, what exactly, sir? Conveniently. Very good. Yeah, I hope you understanding what I'm explaining actually. Now, online team, are you following? Online team, I need a response, sir. Are you following? Sheila, Sirisha, nice response. Come on, come on, one more time. Only 5 members responding. All right, thank you. Let's continue the session. Sir, what is the next one? Tell me. Floating data type. What is the next one? Floating data type. It's a very simple. When you're talking about the floating data type, the value which is, the floating data type represents the number with what exactly? Decimal value. Now just try to come here. Salary equals to 10,000 dot what exactly? 56. Good. Now just try to come here. Let us just try to control N. Salary equals to what exactly? Otherwise, some value, sir. Value equals to 10,000, 10,000 dot 56 actually. Now let me just try to print value. Now save this example. Demo 3.py. Let me just try to save all files actually. Good. Sir, can I check the data type? Tell me how to check the data type. Type of value. Type of what exactly? Value. You can check it out. It's a very simple actually. Good. You are going to, sorry sir, what is the example I need to run actually? Yeah, py demo 3 I need to run. Just try to see 10,000 dot what exactly? 56. What is the data type? Float data type. Let me tell you, sir, where float matters, where float data type is not a matter, you need to understand. Best example, I went to market actually. I went to what exactly? Market. 1 kg potato, I bought it. How much I bought it actually? 1 kg potato. Will they give exactly? Do you think will they give exactly 1 kg actually? If it is 1 kg 50 grams also, they will give something like this. But let me tell you, their floating value doesn't matter. But go to gold shop. Go to what exactly? Do you think if you're asking 1 kg, they will give 1 kg 0.5 actually? Tell me what is the shop name actually? The point is, where floating value matters, where floating value not a matter, you need to understand. There are some calculations. When you're talking about the scientific calculation, floating value really matters. What matters, sir? Floating value. That's what floating data type you are using. If you wanted to understand what is a floating data type, the value with decimal, the value, what exactly? Sir, come on, sir. These are all our 10th class, 9th class, 8th class fundamental. The number without a decimal, the number with what exactly? Decimal. That's it actually. It's like a revision for you. That point you need to catch actually. All right. Important, sir. The topic name is a Boolean data type. What is the topic name? Boolean data type actually. Very good. Yeah, let's move on. Boolean data type. Yeah, good. So before answering about this one, before discussion about this topic actually, um, good question, Dinesh. What do you mean by complex numbers actually? Yeah, there are some numbers which follow some format actually. A plus bi format. I mean to say that, yeah, a plus b I or j anything actually. 1 minute, sir. Let us make it very clear. When you're talking about the complex numbers, actually, a plus bi or a plus bj format, actually, that is called as a complex data type. Let me tell you, not using in real time. We are not using in real time. As of now, you can still ignore actually. Okay. Good. Let us continue with the discussion. Yeah. What is the next one? Can somebody tell me? Boolean. One more time. Important, sir. Now let us continue. What is a Boolean data type? Let me ask a few questions. Is it raining outside actually? Is it raining? Do let me know. What is the answer? No. Very good. Is math teacher will come today? Is, in our childhood, is math teacher, what teacher actually? Math teacher came today actually? Something like that. These are all questions we used to know, in our childhood actually. Tell me. If yes, actually, very sad. If no, what exactly? Very happy. Am I right or not? That is a fact. If yes, sir. Now let me tell you. In our childhood, there are few questions. That questions answer will be, can I say yes or no? Can I say what exactly? Sir, I would like to say this is human being format. What format actually? Human being format actually. Same thing like that. Python also having the format actually. What is the Python format? No is representing with false. No is representing with what exactly? Yes is representing with a true. S is representing with what exactly? True actually. Hold on. Let us just try to take this one is the first and this one is the last actually. Go repeating again. When you're talking about the Python, there is a one data type. There is what exactly? One data type. That data type having only two values, sir. Only how many values actually? The first value is a true. First value is what exactly? Second value is a false. Second value is a false. When you're talking about the Boolean, only two values, no other value actually. So did you remember our keywords table? What is the table actually? Keywords table. There is a one column. Column name is a built-in data types. What is the column name? Under built-in data types, there are three values. What are those values? True, false, none. One more time. True, false, none. Last time. True. Very good. Very good, man. Let's go back and let me just try to show you that. Now, based on the time I can cover what is required actually. Now just try to see. Yeah. First of all, let me ask a question. How many keywords, sir? 350, right? 35 keyword actually. Under this 35 keyword, how many columns we divided actually? 11 columns. There is a one column name is a built-in data types. What is the column name? Under built-in data type, there are mainly three values actually. What is the first value? True, false, none. None might be the next topic actually. Let us focus on true, false actually. Let us focus on what exactly? Sir, one point is a very, very important. T should be capital. Here T should be what exactly? F should be, both are uppercase letter. Hey Daniel, I will not give. Don't worry. You will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error actually. You have to follow the syntax notation. You have to follow what exactly? Syntax. I will show you practical. Good, good. Let's continue. Where we are using these are all things I can cover. Now, as of now, just try to come here. A equals to true. A equals to what exactly? True. B equals to false. Let us just try to print as of now A equals to true, sir. Let me print A. Let me print what exactly? A actually. Let me print a type of A. Let me print what exactly? Type of A. Very good. Now save this example. What is example number? Can somebody tell me? Demo 4.py. Come on. Now let us just try to print this one. Sir, one demo 4, right? Demo what exactly? 4 actually. Sir, one point you need to remember. Previously, I told one thumb rule. What is the thumb rule actually? Can I say this is the LHS value? What value actually? Next one is what exactly? RHS. One more time. What is the next one? LHS. Next one is a RHS. Sir, in RHS side, if there are a group of characters, if there are what exactly? Group of characters, then what you need to do? In between double quotes, you need to do. What we need to do? In between double quotes, except Boolean data type. Except what exactly? For Boolean, we should not provide double quote actually. We should not provide. Why means you should not provide. That point you need to remember actually. I'm repeating one more time. Let me take a name equals to Daniel. Do you think Daniel is valid actually? No, sir. True. It is absolutely valid, no doubt at all. Why? Because this is the predefined data type in a Python. What is that one actually? Predefined data type. But coming to the Daniel, Daniel is a trainer at Narishite. Python don't know what is a Daniel. Then in right hand side, if you are giving any characters, actually, what we need to do, you have to keep in what exactly? Double quotes you have to keep. Are you with me? Are you getting what I'm saying? Simple, sir. Once you are doing practice, actually, you can easy to understand. Let us run this example. Come on, very quickly. Very good. What is the output actually? True. Next one is a Boolean. Hold on. Hey, Daniel, can I give this one is a at least lowercase actually? No, sir. Please don't play jokes with Python actually. You will get error. You will get what exactly? Error name is a name error. What is that error name actually? Name error. Array boss, I don't know what you are typing here. It is directly telling actually. Right? Now let us take this example. And I would like to say this is the valid example. And I would like to show invalid example also. Can somebody tell me? Do you think it is valid actually? No, that is what exactly? Invalid. Invalid examples. Sorry, man. Come on, I need your quick response. True. Next one is a B equals to false. Print of. Can I print A comma type of A actually? A comma what exactly? Type of A. Valid, sir. Print of what exactly? Tell me. B comma type of B. B comma what exactly? Type of B. Save this example. Let us just try to run this example. Both are valid. Both are what exactly? Valid actually. I hope you are getting, sir. Am I right? Good. One more important point. Let me cover. Sir, let me reveal the truth actually. What is the truth? Tomorrow in the sense upcoming session, we are going to working with the real-time projects. We are going to working with what exactly? These are all fundamental building blocks. These are all what exactly? Fundamentals. I'm sorry for saying, if you don't know these fundamentals, I'm sure during project explanation, you can see stars in the sky. You can see what exactly? I mean to say that you may not understand, sir. If you don't know alphabets A to Z actually, I may not tell APPLE is what exactly? Apple actually. First of all, you should know the alphabets, then words you can easy to understand. Here, these are all fundamentals. What is that one? We should be always strong in the fundamental. Frankly speaking, I am master in fundamental. Then you can bring any project actually. I can understand very easily. There is no hidden pattern. Be master in fundamental. Be master in what exactly? Fundamental. That's more than enough actually. I will not ask more than that one. Right? And one more point. Maybe yeah, good. Can somebody tell me? Go back and what is this example? Tell me. Demo 5, right? Hold on. Go to the notepad. Let me give a small suggestion. What is this example? Tell me, sir. Salary. Salary equals to, tell me, 10,000 dot 56, $10,000 dot 56, and print salary. Print what exactly? Salary. And now let us just try to print what exactly? Type of salary. Type of what exactly? Salary. Good. Good. Now save this example. Let me save this example will be 5. Yeah. Dot what exactly? py. Very good. Dot what exactly? Py. Go to the all files and save this example. Let me run this example. Tell me, sir, what is example? Demo 5.py. Very good. Sir, let us take the same example. If you are coming from non-technical background, today onwards, please follow my suggestions actually. Let me tell you. If you, there are two types of people, two types of learners. How many types of learners actually? Two types of learner. The first type is already, first type is coming from technical background. What background actually? Let me talk about the first one is a non-technical background. Second one is a technical background. Technical actually. Non-technical in the sense, Ari Daniel, I'm sorry. Till now, I don't know any programming language like a C, C++, Java, HTML. These are all things I don't know. Just someone suggested me, go to Naresh Shetty and join Daniel batch actually. Then I joined in this batch actually. Then if you are coming from non-technical background, sir, the same example, minimum 5 times you need to practice, sir. How many times actually? 5 times. Can somebody tell me how many times actually? Why? Because you already know the reason. You know very well you are coming from non-technical background actually. Just by doing one time practice, don't be overconfident. You have to do thorough practice. You have to do what exactly? Sir, at least minimum 5 times practice is required. You will understand later why Daniel told 5 times actually. Right? The same example, how to do 5 times, just try to come here. Do you think you will copy paste actually? Copy paste and you can save actually? Sir, I will cry. You should not copy paste actually. Am I getting? Come on, tell me second time. Salary. Tell me, sir. Salary equals to 10,000 dot what exactly? 56. Next one is a print salary. Good. Now save. Demo. What is the example actually? No. Don't save as a 6 actually. Previously, what is example? 5, right? 5a. You can save actually. Dot py. Next example is a 5b. Next one is a 5c. 5d. 5e. Like this actually. Why? Because all this fifth number belongs to one example. Sir, if you follow this pattern, those are all coming from non-technical background actually, you will become expert in a coding. When I joined the course in the year of 2010 to learn Java actually, I personally done this kind of practice. I will tell you, maybe coming 22 actually, I will explain how I became trainer. How I started my IT career, I will explain actually. 22. Why 22? 1 month anniversary. We can celebrate something like that, right? We started the batch, right? Now let us just try to go to all files and save this example. Now just try to come here. Py demo 5a. What exactly, sir? 5a. This is seriously super. Good. Non-technical background, that is my suggestion actually. Coming to the technical background. Sir, this is up to you. Up to what exactly? Up to you actually. If you want 2 times, 3 times, but don't, let me tell you. If you, I know very well, all you guys executed all examples one time only. Am I right, sir? Sir, one time practice cannot bring awesome results. I am repeating one more time. One time practice cannot bring awesome results. Thoroughly you need to practice. You can't believe, till date I am doing practice in my free time actually. Even I know the topic. Why? Because I don't want to lose the control actually. I don't want to lose what exactly? You may ask a question, till at what time we can do practice? I mean to say that, hey, Daniel, till my lifetime I need to do practice, not required. Can I tell the formula? Now let me ask a question. Are you still date? Are you preparing A, B, C, D, F, G actually? No, right? There is a one certain level, almost 1 month, 2 month, 3 months actually. Once we prepare till to that moment, you will understand. I got the topic actually, it's the right time. Even if I'm not touching the topic also, that is fine actually. Why I'm telling these are all suggestions, sir, you join for the technical subject. What subject actually? It's very easy, no doubt at all. But your practice matters. What matters actually? Your practice really helps you, right? Now, let me stop my overaction. Do you think I'm doing overaction actually? No, sir, come on. Yeah. Online team, come on, can I get a response? Good, good, good. All right. Okay, floating we done. Next one is a Boolean data type, seems to be okay. One more point you need to understand, sir. What is the point, when you're talking about the Boolean data type? A equals to true. Come on, very quickly. Type of A. And let me just try to print what exactly, sir? Type actually. Get ready. I'm going to ask a question. What is my question? I hope you already know. Save this example. I'm saving this example will be 6.py. All files. Let me save this one. Can somebody tell me, sir, I need a bigger response. What is output actually? Sir, I need a bigger response. One more time. Good. Now run this example. What is the example number? Demo 6 actually. Demo what exactly? 6.py. The error name is a. Now let me tell you. How you know this is the name error? Because today we discussed actually. It's like you are not running the program with your brain. You are running the program. You are telling the output actually. You have to reach that level. Whenever somebody is writing the code actually, if you are sitting beside of him, you have to scan with your eyes actually. Okay, line number 1 is a valid actually. Line number 2, something went wrong. What is the error name actually? Name error. Then you can suggest, boss, I am sure second line you are going to get error. That error name is a name error. That point you need to tell actually. Good. Now let me ask one more question. Sir, what is output actually? Can somebody tell me? What is output? Any error? Any idea? Come again. Okay, good. Good. Let me check with the online team also. Very good, Harish. Nice response. What about others actually? Here also name error, sir. Here also what exactly? Name error. Just try to please observe this one. Seems to be B we didn't define, but we are printing actually. What is that error name? Name error. Name error actually. Slowly by slowly you will understand. Which scenario, what error, you will understand slowly by slowly. Online team, I hope you are not running the error and you are not sharing actually. When you will be practice all this actually. We'll do, sir. Coming Saturday, we would have a practice session. Trust me. Okay. Focus. Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. What I wanted to tell, come back to the program. Now let me tell you a value. Sir, in Python background, true value is representing with 1. True value is true data type is representing with what exactly? But this notation we are not using in real time. This notation we are not using what exactly? A plus A. What is the output you are going to get, sir? 1 plus 1. What is the result actually? 2. Just try to see this one. Means in Python, true backend it is representing with 1 value. What value? True is representing with 1, false is representing with 0. What is that one? 0 actually. Come on, just try to see. You can easy to understand. Bool data type represents Boolean values in Python. Bool in the sense what exactly, sir? Boolean data type having the only 2 values. Read everyone. What is that word actually? One more time. Last time. I will tell you why I'm repeating these many times actually. A equals to 10. A equals to what exactly? B equals to true. B equals to what exactly, sir? True actually. Now let us just try to print A comma type of A. A comma what exactly? Type of A. Good. And the second one is print of B comma type of B. What is the next one, sir? B comma type of B. Good. Let me run this example. Can somebody tell me, A is what is a data type, sir? Integer data. What is a data type actually? Sir, you know what? For integer, there is no limit actually. I mean to say that instead of 10, can I give 20 value? You can give and you can run. Instead of 20 value, can I give 22 value? You can give and you can run actually. I mean to say that for integer, the value can be infinite. You can give any name. But when you're talking about the boolean, how many values? Only, sir. Only two values. What is the first value? Otherwise, that's it. Like an integer, you should not provide whatever you want actually. Come on, if you guys are sleeping, all the best for your career, sir. Please wake up actually. Now, the first one is that true you can provide. Second one is what exactly? False you can provide actually. Hey, Daniel, is this having any other value? No, sir. No, actually. You will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. That point you need to understand very clearly. Python internally walk through these all example. Next one is a none data type. What is the next one? None data type. Let us just try to have a small recap actually. Small recap. I just wanted to hear from you. What is the topic name, sir? Data types actually. There is a one predefined function we covered. That predefined function name is a type actually. The purpose of type predefined function, we can check the data type. We can check what exactly? There are mainly two types of the data type. The first one is a built-in data type. Second one is a first one is built-in data types. Built-in data types actually. Built-in data types. Second one is a user-defined data type. User-defined what exactly? Under built-in category, we are seeing one by one. What is the first one? You know, numeric data type. What is the first one? Under numeric, how many, sir? Two things actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is the first one? Integer. Second one is a floating actually. Very good. Now, under built-in data type, what is the second one we are covering? Boolean data type. It is having how many values, sir? Two value. What is the first one? True. Next one is a false. Now we are covering one more data type. The data type name is a none data type. What is the data type name? None data type. Good. If anyone is coming from Java programming language or other programming language, none is representing with a null. What is that one, sir? Null actually. But in Python, null is not available. Where or all, if you wanted to represent something like a null, then you need to representing with none. You need to represent with what exactly? None actually. I will cover step by step actually. Kindly please follow this one. Please, how to follow all these fundamentals. Yeah. Let us have a small theory. None data type represents an object that does not contain any value. Okay. If any object having no value, then we can assign that object with what exactly? None data type. I understand one thing. You didn't understand these 2 points actually. Let me show you practically. Let me show you practically. A equals to 16. Print of A. Print of what exactly? Save this example. Demo 7.py. Very good. Good, good. Now, sir, whenever you are running this example, demo 7, what is that one? 7.py. Very good. What is output actually? Then go to the visualization representation. Then exactly in your computer, what exactly happened, you know, sir? There is a variable. That variable automatically created actually. This variable is assigning with A. This variable is assigning with what exactly? Is actually. Then there is a value. Value is representing with 16. Value is representing with what exactly? Whenever you are creating something like a 16, this much hadavadi is happening in the background. Hadavadi in the sense, you know, this much representation is happening in the background in your computer actually. But let me tell you, hey Daniel, if I created a value equals to A equals to none, what is that one actually? A equals to none. Please focus on this one actually. Sir, if you created a equals to none in your computer, yes, of course, one variable is created actually. What exactly created? Variable is created. This variable name is A. Tell me, sir, talk with me. Yeah, very good. This variable name is what exactly? A, but there is no value. What exactly? None means empty representation. None means what exactly? Empty. Initially, there is no value. Best example, sir. I already told last week actually. My son born at January 1st. My son born at what exactly? Till March 3rd or else March ending actually. Is there any name? No name. There are some variables Initially that variable having no values actually. If the variable which is having no value, you can assign with one value. That value name is called as a none data type. That value name is called as what exactly? None data type actually. Team, I hope you are getting. I will tell you some practical example. Hold on. Now read this point. None data type represents an object that does not contain what exactly, sir? Any value. Can somebody tell me this variable can contain what is the value? 16. This variable can contain what is the value? None. What we need to represent, none actually. You should not tell zero also. You should not tell what exactly? Zero also. You have to tell none. Come on. A equals to none data type. And print of what exactly? A. Yeah. Can I check the data type, sir? Type of what exactly? A actually. Sir, guess what is the data type actually? Very good. Very good. Let us just try to run this example. The output is what exactly, sir? None data type. What is output actually? None data. If it is integer, what is the data type? Int. If it is a float, what is the data type? Float. If it is a boolean, what is the data type? Bull actually. Something like a bulbul, right? And if it is a none data type, can somebody tell me what is the data type? None type. What is the data type? None type actually. Good. Any one of you may ask a question, what is the use? Hey Daniel, what is the use actually? It's okay, sir. Let me tell you what is use. Let me tell you practically. Good. Initially, when my son born actually, there is no name. There is what exactly? No name actually. No name. Name. Tell me type of name. Tell me, sir. Type of what exactly? Name. Can I ask a question? Are you ready? Name is called as a variable. One more time. None is called as a value. Also called as a data type. Also called as what exactly? I mean to say that none is a data type actually. Print is called as a, one more time. Type is called as a, good. Can I ask a question? Sir, how many variables are available? One variable. How many values are available? One value. How many functions are available? One more time. What are those functions? Print and type. That's it, sir. Whenever you are entering into the program, first recognize how many variables are available. It's a kind of some counting actually. Okay, one variable is available. It is assigned with one value. How many functions are available? Two functions actually. That's it. Let us just try to execute this example. Initially, when my son was born, no name. None in the sense what exactly? No. If somebody is asking no name in between January to February, March, actually, I can tell no name, sir. Name is not assigned actually. Then I told one small story. What is the story? If there is no name, my neighbor started giving their own names actually. Something like a Chinni, Bunny, Dunna, something like that actually. Then it's a right time I thought to give a name. What is my son name? Let us just try to provide small Daniel. Why? Because he's my son. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Now save this example. Now can somebody tell me what is output you are going to get, sir? Yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. Here it is none only. Here it is what exactly? None only. Initially no name. Now I'm assigning small Daniel. Very good. Now run this example. What is output you are going to get, sir? Yeah. Means what is the data type actually? Did you understand initially what is the name actually? No name. What is the name? After this one, what we done actually? Exactly. That point you need to catch. Here exactly we will use reinitialization topic. What topic actually? Reinitial. Initially, no name, no value. Later on, based on requirement, I would like to give the value. Keep the old value. Keep what exactly? Old value. You will get a clear picture actually. Are you getting, sir? Good, good. Take this example. One more point, let me tell you. Salary equals to none. Print salary. Good. Sir, you became company CEO. You are looking for some PR assistant actually. You are thinking what is the salary I need to provide. Initially, what is the salary? None actually. You are not decided. You are not what exactly? Decided actually. Though you conducted the interview. You conducted what exactly? Interview. One of the PA came for interview, something like assistant. He performed really very nice. Now, initially, can somebody tell me what is the decided value? None. But based on interview performance, You decided value will be something like a 17,000. What is the value actually? Now what is the value? Do let me know, sir. 17,000. What is the value? 17,000. Come on, come on. These are all scenarios actually. In another, if anyone is new to for this session, actually every day I will stop the session exactly at 6:55. At what time I will stop actually? You no need to keep alarm, but I am telling actually, right? Yeah, let us continue. Good. If any object means I can tell later actually. If any variable having no value, then we can assign that object or that variable with what exactly? None data type actually. I'm repeating one more time. If any variable having no value, then we can assign that variable with what exactly? None data type. There is a similar terminology, variable object, both are same actually, but what is an object? Once we entered into the object oriented programming, I will cover, sir. Guys, are you getting? Are you feeling boring? No, right? Can I play YouTube songs actually? Just I'm kidding, sir. This is a, yeah, yeah, come on, sir. Good, good. So regarding non data type, sorry man, regarding non data type actually, what I can say, just 60% only done. How much done actually? 60% syllabus only done actually, and remaining 40%, remaining how much actually? 40% we will discuss during. There is a two topics actually. First topic name is a function, second topic name is a method. What is the first topic name? Next one is a, yeah, there is a relation, function with none, method with what exactly? None actually. Till now, what is a none? How to use none? What is a data type? And how to print the none data type? If you understand 50%, 60% you are comfortable actually. Remaining 40% topic I'm going to cover during function topic and method topic actually. Don't ask why you are not covering now. Sir, I know very well. If I started explaining about the function, it takes some time. Let us enter into the topic. What is the topic name? Go back, and the topic name is it 12, I guess. Yes. What is the topic name actually? Yeah, 12 functions part 1. Functions, what exactly? Part 1. During that time I can cover. The same point I'm taking here. A function and method can return none data type actually. This point we will understand more in what exactly, sir? Functions and OOPS chapter actually. OOPS in the sense, object oriented programming system. Sequences. All right. Okay. Take the same thing. Yeah. None data type actually. We covered these are all things. I hope you know. The next one is a sequence data type. What is the next one, sir? Sequence data type. Sequence data type. Under the sequence data type, the first one is a str. What is the first one? Str. Next one is the list actually. We'll cover. Slowly by slowly we'll cover actually. We'll see. Sir, please focus on this one, important. Good. Can I continue? Come on. A equals to 10. What is the value? A equals to 10. B equals to 10,000.56 actually. 10,000 dot what exactly? 56. Let me print A and let me print B. Let me print A and let me print what exactly? B actually. Sir, let me tell you what exactly happened in the backend. A is a single variable. A is what exactly? Storing single value. Storing what exactly? That word is important. That single word is important actually. A is a single variable. A variable is storing single value. A variable is storing single value. Now you may ask a question, Are Daniel, can I create a one variable? That variable can store group of value. Variable can store what exactly? Sir, you can create. Now C equals to, let me create a 10, 20, 30. You know what? This is called as a sequence data type. That is called as what exactly? Now, what do you mean by sequence data type? Sequence data type is a variable, but the power of variable is it can store group of values. It can store what exactly, sir? Group of value. What is a sequence? Sequence is a simple, sir. It's a simple variable, but the power of variable is it can store group of value. It can store what exactly? If you want, let me show you practically, sir. If you want, let me show you practically. Take this role. Just try to come here. Execute this example. What is the example number? Sorry, man. What is the example number? Demo 7. Just try to see. Yeah. Can I say this is the single value? This one is what exactly? Single value. But do you think this is a single value? No, I would like to say this is the group of values storing in a single variable. Group of values storing in what exactly? Sir, if you want effective visualization, there is a one very good website actually. That website name is a, I'm not sure either I told previously or not, but let me tell you. There is a one very good website. Website name is a Python Tutor. What is the website name? Python Tutor. Click on here. In another 3 minutes, we are going to close the session. This is something like, in another 2 minutes, we are going to launching kind of some rocket, something like that. Am I right? Yeah, click on what exactly? Python. Click on edit code, sir. Sorry. Now, Control A, delete, copy paste your code actually. Click on visualization execution. Click on what exactly? Visualize. It's a very simple. Click on visualize execution. Now, sir, how many lines I had written? 6 lines. Yes, back end total 6 lines. One by one, it will run actually. Observe here. Left hand side, the program what we had written. Right hand side, output it is going to print actually. Click on next. Click on what exactly? Your pointer is here. Automatically, one variable will be created here actually. Now, just try to click on next. Wow. A is a variable created and assigned with what value? 10 value. Very good. Created with assigned with what value? 10 value. Now click on what exactly, sir? Next. B is one more variable created and stored with what value actually? One value. What is the value? Float value. Very good. Now click on to the next. This is seriously amazing, man. You have to focus here actually. Seems to be C is a variable. C is what exactly? Variable, single variable, something like a, but the power of C variable is storing group of value. Storing what exactly? This is called as a sequence. This is called as what exactly? Sequence actually. I hope you understand. Let us continue the topic tomorrow actually. Please don't miss the tomorrow topic. Why? Because more interesting topic actually. Click on to the next, like this you can print out actually. All right. Now, sequence means an object. Sequence object can store what exactly? Group of values. Yeah, all right. Let us just try to this one. Can I continue tomorrow? We'll continue tomorrow. Here onwards, I need to restart. Let's continue tomorrow. Sir, don't miss tomorrow session, please. What is the tomorrow agenda? Let me share you. Tomorrow agenda is exactly. We are going to close the data type and we are entering into the operators topic. Maybe tomorrow we are going to close the data types topic. Next one is the operators actually. Sequentially, the top operator minimum need 1 hour discussion. 1 hour discussion actually. Okay. I hope there is a pending from my side. What is that one? Let us just try to upload the running notes. Before going to the upload running notes, everyone please, we have created a WhatsApp group actually. WhatsApp group admin number is 73298282126 actually. Kindly please drop a message. Kindly please drop, you know, need to, I mean, no formalities actually. Drop a message. Kindly please add a group. We are from Nourish IT. We are from what exactly? Nourish IT actually. Yeah, good. And yep. Oh my god, 32 messages. That is a list to data type, Sheila ma'am. List actually. Tomorrow we'll see. Nice question. Wide data type. Exactly. Seems to be you know the Java actually. Sheila ma'am, I hope you know the Java, I guess, right? Variably use these Boolean data types in real time. We are using, to create a what exactly, flag values. To create what exactly? Flag values we are using. Once we entered into the real time, then I can tell you where we are using these are all things. One of our teammate, one is Begum ma'am, what she's asking, Array Daniel, where will we use these Boolean data types actually to create a flag values, to create what exactly? Flag. In real time technology, that is called as a flag actually. I will tell you. We'll discuss these are all stuff later, ma'am. Okay. All right. On high priority, let me upload the running nodes and material. These are all stuff actually. Kindly please spare a few minutes. Go to the classroom. Variables I uploaded. Practice I uploaded. Let us upload data types topic. What happened? Let us upload data types material. Material, running nodes and programs. Go to the Python and data types actually. Let me upload running nodes also. Yeah. Programs. Maybe I hope you know how to execute the example, but still, if you want to let me upload. Good. If you want, let me upload tomorrow topic also. Can I upload tomorrow material also? Yeah, might be helpful for you. Not required, but let me upload. So let me give a small suggestion. Data types and operators topic. Uh, 1 minute. Is everyone is in Google Classroom? If you're not available, please, sir. Let me check how many of you are available in Google Classroom. Because we are sharing the material. 37 members actually. Please cross verify. We management already shared the request actually. Few guys had to accept the invitation. That's what it is in disabled state actually. Management will share the mail ID and you have to accept. Otherwise, it is in disabled mode only. Please, you have to accept actually. Other guys, please, only 37 members are available. Up to you. Please connect with admin. Admin will add you in a Google Classroom actually. Okay. Good question. Let us answer this one actually. Any of other things? Good. Let me tell you. Sir, with me, let me tell you, freshers actually lend the course with me. I kind of some freshers also. Freshers actually. Next one is who are all having the gap? More people, more students actually. More students having the gap. Gap in the sense 1 or 2 years experience actually. 1 or 2 years. Gap means what exactly? No, 1 or 2 years. One or two or three. Anything is fine. Next one is working professionals. These are all things to learn. Coming to the freshers, I'm sure they are gaining really nice subject and they're getting settling actually. Next one is what exactly? Do let me know, sir. Who are having what exactly? Gap. Once we done the graduation, generally within 1 year, within 2 years, within 3 years, actually up to 2.5 years, there is no job. No job in the sense we tried our trials, but we are unable to get the job actually. But let me tell you today, frankly, who are all having the gap actually, you guys are really blessed. What you can do, learn the course nicely. You can add that gap and you can try as experience actually. Trust me. And who are all having the gap, they can add an experience and I can help you. Who are all getting a job by adding a gap actually, I'm sorry, we should not grab those company details. Why? Because confidential details. What details actually? Confidence actually. Confidence in the sense, best example, sir. You got a job by adding an experience actually. You should not post immediately in a Facebook. Immediately in what exactly? Unfortunately, one of your friend won't like actually. Though you are getting a job, assuming that there is a scenario, then what that person will do, he will shoot a mail to HR and he will tell, guys, so and so guy added an experience. It was happened. That's what, once you are going to get a job by adding an experience, don't expose your company name actually. I will tell you, right? And working professionals, they can already, already working in a source environment. From 5 years I'm working actually. Can I learn data science and can I add an experience? You can add, sir. What you need to do, 2 years old domain plus a 3 years current domain you need to add actually. 2 years old domain, current last 3 years onwards you can add as a 3 years experience. Conclusion of the story: learning this course you can gain minimum 3 years real time exposure actually. 3 years real time exposure. You may ask a question, are you sure? Are boss, I'm not playing joke actually. There is a one website name is a Kaggle. What is that website name? I will train you from this community, AI and ML community. What is this one, sir? AI and ML actually. All examples we are going to do practice from this website. And the next website name is a Stack Overflow. What is the next website name? Stack Overflow. And just try to check here. What is this one, sir? Do let me know. I will train you from this Stack Overflow actually. These are all real-time websites. If you are able to understand, able to practice from these websites actually, no doubt at all, you will become real-time employee. You will become what exactly? Real-time. Just to follow my instruction, I'm sure. Okay. All right, sir. Can we close the today discussion? All right. Good. Sir, people started adding. Okay, please. Thank you. And we done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you. We done for today's session, sir. Yeah. Good night, everyone.